I'm going to show you how to turn any Suno song into a polished, publish-ready music video with the best AI video quality available today, and even choose exactly when your singer sings or simply performs. Let's go! First, let me show you the easy way. We'll explore the other options later. You'll find auto mode right here in the center of the main interface, and you don't need any previous experience with AI video generators. Here, you can paste your Suno link directly, or upload the song if you've already edited it elsewhere. You can create a video for the entire track, or select just one section. Once you see my results, you'll probably want to generate the full song. But for now, let's keep going. Next, upload an image of your artist. Choose the visual style. I'm going with realistic. Then select the format. I'll use 16:9 for a full-size YouTube video. Now just add a short description of what's happening in the video, give it your own vibe, and tell the AI what kind of magic you want to see on screen. On the next screen, one more shot creates a mood board showing your character in different poses, the visual direction of the video, and the overall atmosphere. You can then choose between standard, which already delivers solid quality, or high quality, which gives the final result a noticeably more polished and cinematic finish. Check that everything looks right. Click Start Generation. And in this case, here's my result.
Your old jacket still smells like me. I saw your face in a passing car, then laughed because I knew it wasn't. I told myself I'd be just fine with every mile I left behind. Some goodbyes don't disappear, they wait for you to come back here.
Now let's move on to advanced mode, where you can build your music video scene by scene and have much more control over the final result. First, click Create New and choose Advanced. Give your project a title, select the format, vertical for mobile or landscape for YouTube, and add a short description of the music video. This description helps one more shot create scenes that feel more consistent with each other. Once you're inside the editor, start by adding your song. You can upload a file from your computer or paste your Suno link directly here. When the song is loaded, you'll see the lyrics placed across the timeline. This is really useful because you can see exactly what is being sung at every moment. You can also decide which scenes you want the character to sing in and which ones you want them to simply act in. That said, lip sync won't appear instantly inside the editor. It's applied during the export process, so you'll only see the final result once the music video has been rendered. Now we can start creating the scenes. In advanced mode, every scene begins with an image. You can describe the image with a prompt and generate it directly inside the platform. But in this case, I've already prepared my images so I can have more control over the character and the story. Here, you can upload up to 5 reference images to help the AI keep the character's appearance more consistent. Next, select the part of the song you want to work on. Each section can be 5 or 10 seconds long. I recommend starting with 5-second scenes because you'll get more visual changes and the music video will feel more dynamic. Then you can use a few 10-second shots when you want an important moment to breathe a little more. Now drag the image into this box or upload it directly. Underneath, describe what you want to happen in the scene: the character's movement, the action, and, if needed, the camera movement. For example, he slowly walks toward the door, lowers his eyes, and tightens his grip on the keys as the camera gently moves closer. Then click Create, and the platform will generate the shot. In this case, it costs 50 credits. Once the shot is ready, play it back and check the result. If you like it, make sure the correct section of the song is selected. Then drag the shot into the panel on the right. It will automatically be added to the timeline below. From there, you simply repeat the same process for every scene: image, movement, generation, and timeline. You don't have to build the entire music video in one go. You can work section by section, review every shot, and replace only the parts that don't work. If you don't like a scene that is already on the timeline, select it and click Remove or the trash icon. That way, you can delete just that clip without taking the whole project apart. You'll also find an option called Extract Frame. This lets you pull a still image from a shot you've already generated and reuse it as the starting point for the next scene. That can help you keep the same character, clothing, or location from one shot to the next. And that's how you gradually build the full music video. Choose the image, define the movement, place the shot where it belongs, and decide when the singer performs and when they simply become part of the story.
I left your letter on the kitchen floor, took my keys and closed the door.
You'll find the link in the description. As always, feel free to ask me anything you need. Your song is already finished. Now it's time to give it a whirl. See you in the next video.